Hello, Mark Styers, American chiropractor. I'm going to talk you through tuning yourself in to 528 hertz. I want you to begin breathing deeply and slowly. I'd like to use this recording or a pair of headphones. So this vibration is going in both lobes of the brain and you can use it most effectively. Breathing deeply, 3 seconds in, 3 seconds out. "528 hertz is a frequency at which DNA resets and repairs itself, bringing positive transformation." What will that mean? Keep breathing deep and slow. As you're looking at 528 hertz, bringing positive transformation and resetting DNA, while breathing deeply and slowly. Just understand you're tuning in all of the parts to the factory settings, whatever that means. Keep breathing deep and slow. You're doing magnificently. Keep breathing deeply, slowly. While you're breathing deep and slow, imagine yourself being in a magnificent environment that you'd like to be in, or you haven't been in, or you've been in before. Keep breathing deep and slow. Put yourself in your mind's eye in the most perfect environment for you. It only has to be in your mind. Keep breathing deeply and slowly. You're doing wonderfully. Keep breathing deep and slow. Resetting DNA, bringing positive transformation. One more, deep and slow. Let it all the way out. You did magnificently. We're keeping these just to 3 minutes of this time. If you want to use it again, just roll it back. We have one of these for every frequency, every one of the Solfeggio frequencies anyways. Thank you for using this.